Namaste everybody. This is Mahika. And I welcome you all to this very special live at Wandering Minds today. If you're able to see and hear me, I request you to kindly confirm or comment in the box. Am I audible and visible to you clearly? If you can see me clearly, then please do comment and confirm that I am clearly audible and visible. Thank you, Manish ji. Hi, Neha. Hello, Ekta. Namaste yet again, and this is Mahika, and I welcome you all to today's live at our very special, very own group, The Wandering Minds. For people who do not know me, this is Mahika, and I am the founder of Miracles by Mahika. I am an intuitive tarologist. I am also a spiritual life coach, an energy healer, and a mindfulness trainer. Hi Reena, thanks for joining and tuning into this live today. As you all know, and you must have read that in today's live, I am going to talk about EFT, which is a very special technique. Hi Neetu, I thank you for inviting me to Wandering Minds. So EFT is a very special technique. As I was saying, you can consider it to be a self-healing tool, which as an EFT facilitator and practitioner, I can tell you that it is such a beautiful technique that I think each one of us should know and should practice, because it helps you to get rid of or release various emotional as well as physical pains. Hi Neelam, thanks for tuning in. We'll wait for a couple of minutes, maybe one or two, and so that some more people can join in. So these days, the commonest queries or the commonest things my clients come to me for is definitely the panic, the scare, the confusion around COVID. And everybody, either is extremely confused, or they are, or they are, they completely lack the knowledge or what's going on, and they are just living on the rumors and the things that they get to hear from their environment. Or they are misinformed, or they are extremely stressed and panicked due to this situation, right? Hello Anandji, I welcome you. So today I have decided that, why not introduce this very beautiful tool that I have been practicing since years. And when I learned this from my mentor in the United States, I kind of, it was like as if I had hit a jackpot, or I had, found a treasure in the chest. And it was so amazing, because it immediately started manifesting and showing it to me and proving it to me that whatever is the physical or the emotional pain that you're going through, EFT, that is Emotional Freedom Technique, has the potential to help you let go of it and decrease the intensity, to a great extent in one session itself. And since it's a self-healing tool, I think every one of us must equip ourselves with several such tools, because looking at the life that we are leading these days, backed by fears, backed by doubts, backed by worries, anxieties and frustrations, these tools come in handy, and they help us in our day-to-day life to get rid of all these emotional as well as physical turmoils. So that's the reason I thought of choosing this particular topic to share with you all. Of course, at Miracles by Mahika, we have various courses on this particular modality, that is Emotional Freedom Technique. And I think each one of us must know how to release our emotions that are not helping us grow, the kind of stress or the kind of worries that bother us at every single moment of our existence, our fears, our doubts that block us from manifesting or achieving or accomplishing the goals that we have always wanted to. So EFT is a beautiful tool, and not only does it help in releasing your emotional as well as physical pains, it also helps you to strengthen a particular intention. For example, if you want to use EFT tapping for let's say generating some extra income, you may do tapping at a regular basis, and you will see that how your mind is programmed towards working positively and proactively towards your goal, and how you're able to manifest it in your life within no time. So it is definitely miraculous. And that's what today's live is all about. And needless to say that I will definitely be doing some readings, but at the later part of the live. Hi Harpreet, hello Chitra, thanks for tuning in to today's live. So before I begin, let me give you a very small gist of the history of EFT. EFT, as it is the short form of Emotional Freedom Technique. This was invented in the 1990s by Gary Craig, and basically, in a layman's language, EFT can be termed as psychological acupressure. So when it was originated, जब EFT का जन्म हुआ था, that time it was called TFT, Thought Field Therapy, which is these days in various fields of psychology known as the energy psychology. So EFT has come into origination from thought field therapy. Thought field therapy, which was, hi Rish, thanks for tuning in. So as I was saying, that it has originated from the thought field therapy, which these days is known as the energy psychology, right? Now, how does this work? As we all know that our body is comprises of energy, and any disturbance in our body, whether it is physical or emotional, it definitely is a result of obstruction in the energy flow. As long as energy is flowing seamlessly through our body, everything seems to be perfect. But the moment the energy flow is obstructed, there is a destruction, and something manifests itself as a physical pain, illness, or some sort of a psychological or emotional disturbance, right? So EFT is basically to release that particular obstruction so that it can restore the free flow of energy once again. Now, when we speak of energy, even in the field of acupressure, they say that there are 14 meridians or energy hotspots in our body. 14 एनर्जी हॉटस्पॉट्स होते हैं हमारे बॉडी में, जिसको हम मेरिडियंस भी कहते हैं. दोज आर द पॉइंट्स जिसको होकर एनर्जी फ्लो होती है हमारे पूरे शरीर में. और जब इन मेरिडियंस में ब्लॉकेजेस आ जाते हैं, जैसे कि पाइप में कचरा फंस जाता है जिससे पानी नहीं आ पाता, सिमिलरली व्हेन देयर इज सम ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन, सम ब्लॉकेज, then energy is obstructed, which results in some sort of a physical or emotional pain, like I said. But EFT में हम mainly 9 points को consider करते हैं. We only deal with the 9 vital meridians or energy spots. That's how it is designed. And what happens is, if you have a problem, it could be as simple as stress, your everyday stress, or feeling of exhaustion or tiredness, or let's say anger, आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, you can do a 5-minute round of EFT which will immediately bring down your anger. So if the intensity of your anger was 10, it would bring it down to maybe 1 or 2, and if you continue to do maybe 1 or 2 rounds more, then it might come down further. And with regular practice or regular rounds of EFT, you can permanently clear that out of your system. So that's how it that's how it works. And although I can just go on and on, because I'm very, very passionate about this technique, because it has helped me immensely. At one point of my life, when there was a huge tragic situation that I was encountered with, when I lost a very dear loved one suddenly, it was a huge blow on my physical as well as mental health. And thanks to these techniques, thanks to the groundedness that spirituality provided me. Although I was in chronic depression, I could pull myself out of that situation. I could bounce back to life through doing these small things, and EFT was one of the main tools that helped me to come out of my agony, my grief, my depression. So it's by personal experience that I propagate this particular self-help technique to everybody. Yes, Neetu, you have been a witness to that. And Neetu is not only a dear friend, but she's been my neighbor as well. So she has seen me, the journey, and if I have been able to do that, I'm sure anybody can. So that's why I'm so passionate, and I have complete trust in this particular modality. Thank you, Neetu. Means a lot. So without any more ado, let's start tapping. Who all are ready? If you're ready to do some EFT tapping with me, then just comment yes. And if you're not, then I'm not going to do it, because as it is, I can't do anything that you don't want me to do. So if you want to release something today, let's do it together. And if you're willing to do that with me, please comment below. If it's a yes, we will do it together. Amazing, many yeses coming. And oh, hi Deepti, hello Sheetal, hi Sheetal. We have two Sheetals. Hello Ritu. Before we begin, let me just introduce the 9 points that I spoke to you about, and then we start tapping, okay? Now, the first point is this. It's the corner or the side of your hand. This is the first tapping point or the first meridian from where we start tapping. यहाँ से शुरुआत करते हैं. कई लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं, is it the left hand or the right hand? I personally do it from the left. अगर आपको दिक्कत है तो आप right से भी कर सकते हो. You can do it from the right also. So this is the first point. This point is also called the karate chop point. The name is funny, but it has a logic, because जब आप karate करते हो तो we use this part for the chops that they do in karate, the movements that they have. That's the reason this is called as the karate chop point, right? So this is where we begin our tapping from. This is your first point or your first meridian, and this is a very very important point. कभी बैठे बैठे अगर आपको उलझन हो रही है, अगर आप परेशान हो रहे हो, it's just maybe before an interview or an important meeting, or for students, for mothers, I want to say, जो बच्चे एग्जाम देने जा रहे हैं, for their boards etc., उनको आप ये टेक्निक सिखाइए and help them to do this every single day, and you will see जो एग्जाम का सारा स्ट्रेस है, how beautifully they can release. But what I was telling is, अगर आपको उलझन हो रही है, if you're feeling stressed, if you're feeling edgy, restlessness हो रही है, just अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हैं तो बैठे बैठे बस इस पॉइंट को ऐसे टैप कीजिए. You can even hide it and do if you feel very conscious about what will people think and what will people perceive you as. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा इमेज कॉन्शियस हैं तो फिर आप इसको यहाँ छुपा कर भी धीरे धीरे you can just do this, and you will see how magically It will transform your mental state. आपकी जो edginess है, आपका जो जो अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा restless हो रहे हैं, it will slowly transfer to calmness. And this is tried and tested. आप करके देखिए. So this is the first point of tapping. This is called the karate chop point. Next point is here, right where your eyebrows begin, यहाँ पर, and you have to tap with 2 fingers. यहाँ पर with all your 4 fingers, यहाँ पर with your 2 fingers. This is your second point of tapping. Yeah, so you do this. I will teach you how to do it and we will do it together. But I'm just familiarizing you with the points, the 9 points. Number 1, number 2, where your eyebrows begin. जिनको साइनस और माइग्रेन की तकलीफ है, आप नोट करोगे स्ट्रेस के साथ, या फिर अगर आप ठीक से सो नहीं पाए, you get these are the 2 points where your headache starts throbbing, right? So that's why these points are our energy points. You can really notice आपके pains कहाँ से शुरू होते हैं. These points आप देखोगे जहाँ जहाँ हम अब टैप करने वाले हैं, these are the vital store of energy points, right? So second is this. Third point is where it ends, your temple, here. This is your third point. And you tap with 2 fingers. Very gently, very slowly, okay? First, second, third point, and here. This is your 4th point. Very important, right? So 1, karate chop point. 2, here where your eyebrows begin. 3, where your eyebrows end or your temple, यहाँ पर. 4th is this, right below your eyes, जहाँ पर ये bone है आपका, that jaw, that bone underneath your eyes, यहाँ पर. And the 5th point is right below your nose and your upper lip, right in the center. Sixth, your chin. Seventh point is here. हम लोग इसको थ्रोट चक्रा भी कहते हैं, बट इट इज राइट योर कॉलर बोन. ये जो कॉलर बोन है आपका, यहाँ पर. You can tap fast, you can tap slowly, it's all up to you. This is your 7th point. 8th point is right below your arms, that is just below your underarms. This is a very, very important point, and many of your physical ailments can be healed by tapping on this point. And the last and the final point is here, right the middle. हम लोग इसको क्राउन भी कहते हैं, क्राउन चक्रा भी है ये. So the 9 meridians or the 9 hot spots of energy are these. 1, karate chop point. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, your collarbone. Right collar, left collarbone, doesn't matter. This 8th point, and finally here. So these are the 9 magical energy points of your body. अब जब आप ये points जान चुके हो, let me take you through one round of EFT. Is that okay? If yes, then I need to see a thumbs up. And if you have any questions regarding the points, then please go ahead and ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer. और अगर आप समझ चुके हैं and आप तैयार हैं कि हम एक राउंड ऑफ टैपिंग करें आपके साथ, इसी तरह से like how I will be doing it with you, आप हर चीज़ के लिए टैपिंग कर सकते हैं. Whether it is your emotional problem, whether it is just your mood, या फिर आप कुछ आपको लाइफ में कुछ you are looking for, there is a particular goal that you're aiming at, you can do that. And very soon Miracles by Mahika is announcing its many people tell me that it's getting very tasking for us, और आप हमारे लिए कुछ short design some short courses. Yes, Manish ji, 14 meridian points that are used by acupressurists. We don't use that in EFT. We use only 9 points. Manish ji, I had mentioned this also. Maybe you missed it. तो 14 points होते हैं, लेकिन EFT emotional freedom, EFT में mainly जो हमारा जो जो टेक्निक है उसमें we only use 9 points, right? Thank you, Ritu, means a lot. Are we ready? Okay, let's start. So I have identified one very common issue जो हम आजकल everybody is telling us and everybody is talking about, that this fear and this worry around COVID. Everybody is fearful, everybody is living in fear, everybody is kind of confused. कुछ लोग ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा cautious हो गए हैं, कुछ लोग ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा फ्री हो गए हैं कि हमको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कोविड हो नहीं हो. Both these are not the right way to live. So how can we release this fear and this panicky situation? Let's do it through EFT. Okay? Is that okay? If yes, I need to see if you're ready. क्या आप मेरे साथ इस इश्यू के लिए टैपिंग करने के लिए तैयार हो? And for the people who have just joined, this is Mahika and I'm an intuitive tarologist. I'm also an energy healer, a spiritual life coach and a mindfulness trainer. Wow, I'm so glad to see so many yes. Okay, now you have to follow the way जिस तरह से मैं इसको the way I phrase it. Please understand, language की इसमें कोई importance नहीं है. You can do it in Hindi, you can do it in English, you can do it in your mother tongue. It doesn't matter. What matters is the tapping and how mindful you are to the intensity of the problem. इस पे ही सारा technique based है. Okay? सबसे पहली बात तो आपको mindful होना ज़रूरी है. If you are not mindful enough, you will not even realize कि मैं गुस्सा हो रही हूँ, मैं परेशान हो रही हूँ, मैं इस चीज़ को लेकर बहुत डरी हुई हूँ. To be able to identify what is that particular thing that is bothering me, या फिर मुझे इससे क्या हो रहा है, that's your number one, that's of utmost importance. Okay? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं our first round of EFT और इमोशनल फ्रीडम टेक्निक. इस टेक्निक को करने का कोई समय नहीं है. You know, to many of my clients, I tell them that you can even do it while you are, in your washroom. It doesn't really require you to take out this 10 minutes out of your daily busy life and do it. Because आधे लोग तो टाइम का ही बहाना सबसे बड़ा बहाना मानकर चलते हैं कि हमारे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं है, राइट? तो उनके लिए मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ that this is a technique जो आप कभी भी कहीं भी कर सकते हो. Even when you're in the car, even when you're in the cab, even when you're at home, कहीं भी कभी भी, right? Okay, number 1, what do we do? सबसे पहले हमें देखना है, for example, today we are going to do the tapping for the fear. ये जो डर हम सबके अंदर है कि हमें कोविड हो जाएगा, हमारे बच्चों को हो जाएगा, हमारे माँ बाप को हो जाएगा, हमारे घर वालों, हमारी फैमिली को हो जाएगा, ये जो फियर और ये जो पैनिक है, let's try to release it today. Now what you have to do is, एक बार आप इसको मैं जिस तरह से कर रही हूँ इसको फॉलो कीजिए और इसी तरह से do it every single day until you yourself feel कि अब ये डर मुझे बॉदर नहीं कर रहा है, right? उसका जो जिम्मा है वो आपको उठाना पड़ेगा. Okay? Now let's start. So karate chop point is our first point. तो हम कैसे करेंगे? The moment we start, what we do is we say the problem. जो भी problem हमें bother कर रही है उसको हम पहले बोलते हैं repeatedly when we are tapping at the karate chop point. So for example, you start that tapping with the phrase even though. ये important है, even though. इसको आप अपनी हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट कर लीजिए या फिर अपनी किसी मातृभाषा में ट्रांसलेट कर लीजिए. दैट्स परफेक्टली ऑल राइट, बट यू शुड स्टार्ट टैपिंग विद द फ्रेज इवन दो. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इवन दो आई एम स्केर्ड एंड वरिड, इवन दो आई एम फियरफुल एंड अफ्रेड, इवन दो I feel panicky inside about the situation around. I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I feel worried all the time about my children, my family members, my parents, I choose to love, accept and forgive myself. Even though I'm afraid to go out, even though I'm worried about falling sick, I choose to completely love and accept myself. This is the most important part of tapping, acknowledging. That's the reason we tap at the karate chop point. तो आपने देखा होगा, I'm repeating, बार बार I'm repeating even though. And जो मुझे feel होता है, I'm repeating that even though I'm worried, even though I'm having panic, even though I'm afraid, even though कि मेरे अंदर ये डर है कि मेरे बच्चों को, मेरे घर वालों को ये चीज़ हो जाएगी. Even though I'm scared to go out, तो इस चीज़ को पहले acknowledge, कोई भी problem है उसको acknowledge करना है और you have to start with even though and completely acknowledge the problem. Even though I'm afraid and worried about the situation, the grave situation of COVID-19 around, even though I'm scared and worried to go out of my house, even though I feel panicky all the time regarding this particular illness, I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to love, accept and forgive myself. First point, all this fear, all this worry, all this stress that I have due to the situation around me, I choose to release it completely and let it go. Even though I feel stressed all the time, even though I can see people around me suffering due to COVID, I choose to release and let go all my worries, fears, and anxieties around it. All this anxiety, the worry, they are not doing me any good. And I don't like to be worried and anxious all the time. I want to live a life of freedom. I want to live freely. But a part of me thinks that I need to worry. And if I don't, something bad might happen to me or my loved ones. I don't like this feeling, and therefore I choose to release and let it go. I choose to let go of all this fear and the worry that's making me feel bad and that's not allowing me to live peacefully. I choose to release all of it. This fear is making me paranoid and snatching all my mental peace. Therefore, I choose to release and let it go. We complete one round, okay? You may do 2 or 3 more rounds जब तक आपको अंदर से ये feeling ना आए that now my fear is going down, now my panic is settling. Till the time, and if you want to do it regularly, then you may do 3 rounds at least, right? You begin from here. Let's do a quick round again. Even though I'm scared and worried about the situation around me, I still choose to love and accept myself. Even though I'm afraid, even though I'm scared and worried that either me or my loved ones might be infected by this deadly virus, I still choose to love and accept myself. Even though I'm fearful to step out of my house, I choose to love and accept and forgive myself. All this fear, all this worry, and all this stress that's making me feel paranoid, I choose to release it and let it go completely. All this anxiety, all this worry, it's not doing any good to me. Although I don't like to be feeling the way I am. So, I choose to release and let go all my fear, all my worries about COVID-19. But a part of me thinks that I need to worry. And if I don't worry, something bad will happen to me or my family. I release this fear and I choose to completely let it go. I choose to live freely. I choose to completely live a life that is free of fear, anxiety, and worry. I choose to let go of all this fear and the worry that's making me feel miserable, bad, and that's not allowing me to live peacefully. I release it completely. Right? So we completed the second round, and you may also do a third round when you do it every single day. But you will notice that with each cycle of tapping, your fear, whatever problem you're doing it for, we just took this as an example in today's life because it is the commonest issue right now. It's a glaring issue right now. Otherwise, you can take your depression, you can take your anxiety, you can take even your headache. You can take any of your physical pains as well and just release it. And I truly assure you that with a regular practice of EFT, you can really release everything that is bothering you. Right? So if you have found this informative and if you found this helpful, may I see a thumbs up in the comment section while I sip some water? Thank you, Soni. Thank you, Manish ji. Thank you, Anand ji. Please continue to do it. Trust me that many of my clients have even come out of their debts, even come out of their financial issues by doing emotional freedom technique, by practicing this every single day. And if you want to learn this properly, methodically, you can get in touch with me or the team. You can write to us. Neetu, if you could put my number in the comment section, you can get in touch with us and we will help you to learn this very beautiful self-help technique. Teach this to your children, because nowadays I find so many children who are struggling and they are anxious all the time without a reason. They are edgy, they are, all the time as if they are, under some sort of a stress. This is an excellent tool for them. Right? Thank you for all the love and likes, and I'm really deeply honored to be sharing this beautiful magical tool with you. And I will wait for your messages where you can personally message me and tell me how much this is benefiting you. Right? And as promised, I will do a short, quick, intuitive reading. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. But do not club too many questions in one. If you're asking about your career, let it be just your career, because what happens is when you club too many questions in one question, the energy gets scattered and you can't get a proper guidance. Also, जिसके भी बारे में आप पूछ रहे हैं, I want that person's name. Like Deepa is asking me for her son, but I don't know her son's name. So you have to really give me the name of the person. Jyoti Goyal, this card is for you. Jyoti, are you waiting for a message or are you waiting for a good news that because आपकी जो एनर्जी अब तक आ रही है वो ये आ रही है कि the energy of helplessness, as if आपके हाथ बंधे हुए हैं, as thanks दीपा, as if आप कुछ करना चाहते हो बट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, then this is the time that you can really do it. Good, there is a good beneficial important message कमिंग फॉर यू ज्योति बहुत जल्दी, जिससे आपकी लाइफ की बहुत सी चीजें सुलझ जाएंगी. सो दैट्स द गाइडेंस फॉर यू ज्योति. ऑल द बेस्ट एंड थैंक्स फॉर आस्किंग मी दैट क्वेश्चन. मनीष जी, इट हैज बीन बेनिफिशियल मी. दैट्स ब्यूटिफुल, इजंट इट? थैंक यू फॉर कंफर्मिंग दैट. Deepa, yes, for Divit, let me take out a card for Divit. Deepa, although abhi, the current energy of Divit is that he's not really able to focus on his studies. लेकिन I see some good changes and I see that he will be changing his approach towards studies with the help of a male authority. या तो आप उसके लिए कोई tutor hire कीजिए या फिर I don't know, maybe your husband, a male authority जो भी घर में कोई जिसकी भी बात वो सुनता है, try to make that person talk to him or hire a good tutor for him, because that is very strongly coming कि उनके मदद से Divit will start focusing on studies. Right now उसका focus नहीं है, लेकिन आगे जाके with the intervention of this male authority he will start focusing and धीरे धीरे things will get better, but it will take time. Deepa, this is what I'm getting for Divit at this point in time. Lots of love and blessings to him. Thanks for asking that question. Sony, yes, for your health. Let's see, definitely. Sony, right now आप अपने health पे बहुत ज़्यादा focus नहीं कर रहे हैं. All your focus is mostly towards money and finances and other things. Your health is not your priority at this point in time. What guidance I'm getting for you is that आप अपने health को priority बनाइए इस time पे, because definitely you need to give the love and the care that you have not been giving to your health for all these years. तो ये गाइडेंस आ रहा है. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं दिखाई दे रही. आई कांट सी रियली अ प्रॉब्लम और सम इलनेस या कुछ इस तरह से नहीं दिख रहा है, बट आई सेंस सम नेग्लेक्ट, वो मुझे नज़र आ रहा है. और आपके लिए ये गाइडेंस है दैट योर हेल्थ, मेक इट योर फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. आई थिंक ये गाइडेंस मेरे लिए भी है. फॉर मी ऑल्सो माई हेल्थ इज़ माई लास्ट प्रायोरिटी. सो थैंक्स फॉर आस्किंग दैट क्वेश्चन. इट रियली टीचेस मी ऑल्सो समथिंग. Sheetal, yes, definitely my dear. Sheetal is a dear friend as well. Sheetal, the general guidance that I'm getting for you is absolutely good times coming ahead, especially in the next 7 to 10 months. Mark it, write it. आपके लिए बहुत बहुत अच्छा टाइम आ रहा है in the next 7 to 10 months. Not only in financial matters, domestic harmony, family की well-being, हर चीज़, everything culminated together. I see beautiful times ahead for you. तब तक का जो टाइम है, अब से लेकर 7 महीने तक का जो टाइम है, वो टाइम मेहनत का है. सो आई कैन सी यू वर्किंग हार्ड collectively. I can see everybody in the family focused on his or her goals. वो मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है आपके लिए. All the very best and thanks for asking me that question. Arsh Sabarwal's health, is it? Okay. Absolutely nothing to worry. Perfect. Everything's going to be good. Arsh is more busy towards working towards his goals right now. और वो भी थोड़ा सा हेल्थ की तरफ उनका भी फोकस नहीं है, बट दैट विल नॉट दैट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हैम्पर एनीथिंग, एंड बिल्कुल बढ़िया. आई डोंट सी एनीथिंग. सो व्हेन आई सी वेरी गुड कार्ड्स, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोलती नहीं हूँ. So everything is very good for Arsh. Thank you for asking that question. Anand Sharma ji, yes, for your career. Let's see. Definitely Manish ji, right after Anand ji. आनंद शर्मा जी, दिस इज फॉर योर करियर. थोड़ा स्ट्रगल तो आप कर रहे हो, और कुछ टाइम से ही चला आ रहा है आपका ये स्ट्रगल, और शायद कुछ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स भी चल रही होंगी रिगार्डिंग योर करियर. बट डेफिनेटली वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइडेंस फॉर यू आनंद जी इज दैट, इनफैक्ट टू गाइडेंसेस. नंबर वन इज दैट अपनी रिजिडिटी को थोड़ा छोड़ना पड़ेगा आपको. You have to be more flexible towards things, towards your approach, towards your work. थोड़ा सा आपको flexible होना ज़रूरी है. ये टाइम डिमांड कर रहा है आपसे. सेकेंडली, जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपके सामने आ रहे हैं उनको इमीडिएटली ग्रास्प कीजिए, बजाय इसके कि बहुत ज़्यादा सोच में आप पड़ जाए. डू नॉट गेट इनटू एनालिसिस पैरालिसिस. Just grab whatever is coming to you. And very important guidance, Anand ji, for you is the charity that you need to do every Tuesday and every Saturday, right? So that is one very important thing that's coming for you. Tuesday और Saturdays को किसी भी, चाहे आप गरीब बच्चों को कुछ दीजिए, चाहे आप होमलेस जो हैं उनको कुछ दीजिए, that's not important, but that will definitely help your career. And you will see wonderful times ahead. But ये जो टाइम है वो आपसे थोड़ी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी की डिमांड कर रहा है. Right? Thanks a lot for asking that question, Anand ji. Moving on to Manish Bhatia. Yes, for your startup. In the next 10 to 20 months, 10 to 20 months, in the next coming 10 to 20 months, your startup will definitely grow, and much more than you have thought it will. So that's the good thing. But now the other guidance that's coming is पैसे को लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा do not have the energy of holding on to money, because the amount of money that flows, the amount of money, it comes back to you in multifolds. Be in that energy. Do not be in the mentality of lack before spending or investing money into your startup, because that's a clear guidance I'm getting. Otherwise, I'm so happy that your startup is really going to do very well. Thanks for asking that question. 5 more minutes, guys. You can simply repeat the affirmations, Sheetal, and if you want, I can send you 1 or 2 videos as a guidance. But when you begin tapping, सबसे पहले आपको acknowledge करना है whatever is the problem. That's very important. Then you have to love, accept and forgive yourself, and then you continue, right? But there is a certain way that you do it. Maybe I can send you something, or you can do the very wonderful short WhatsApp course that we are coming up on EFT. That will be very helpful for you. Jyoti Goyal. Avni. Okay, sure. This is for Avni Goyal. Jyoti ji, the guidance that I'm getting is Avni is not very careful towards her type 1 diabetes. That is, जो परहेज उसे करना चाहिए शायद वो नहीं कर रही है. तो ये एक चीज़ मुझे आ रहा है that could be a deterrent. And जो दूसरी चीज़ आ रही है वो ये कि in the coming next 9 to 10 months, I see a change. Either there is a change of place or there is some change that is going to happen in Avni's life which will help towards improvement of this disease. शायद आप किसी और सिटी शिफ्ट कर जाओ या फिर वो कहीं और रहने चली जाए या जो भी है. I see that a change will bring multifold benefits to her diabetes and थोड़ा परहेज उसके लिए ज़रूरी है. वो आ रहा है that she is not very careful towards her ailment at this point in time. So thanks for asking me that question. Lots of love and blessings to Avni. Neetu, do you want a card? That's amazing. Definitely. More than happy to do that. Thank you, Sheetal. Thanks, Soni. So, Neetu, let's see a general. Amazing. I mean, what can I say? It's like, wah bhai wah. So, beautiful cards for you, Neetu. All I see is growth, personal growth, growth in your career, growth in your emotional being. I think there is going to be, you are going to grow as a person as well. The cards are all of growth. Although you have seen very trivial times in the past, whatever is coming for you now is only growth. So like I said, बहुत अच्छे cards आते हैं तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलती. So all the best to you, Neetu. Lots of love. Okay, I think one more question, and Manali, I will take your question and this will be the last question for this live. For detailed readings, you can anyways contact us at Miracles by Mahika. Neetu, if you could put my number in the comment section, that will be great. Manali, this is for you. Manali, कोई movement है, change of place? Is there any contemplation about moving to another city or maybe country also? In the next 6 months, आपके लिए movement तो है ही है. चाहे आप city कोई और कहीं रहने चले जाओ या फिर आप बाहर चले जाओ, that is there. And one more thing, one guidance that I'm getting for you also, Manali, is that you want to live in your past. आप बहुत time अपने past के बारे में सोचने में निकालते हो. So that is one guidance that I'm getting is ये नहीं करना है आपको. The more you dwell in your past, the more your future will be distant from you. So अपने past से अभी cut off कीजिए and think about your present. Be present and just move ahead. This is the guidance I'm getting for you. But definitely एक change आ रहा है आपके life में in the next 6 months. So with that, I take your leave and lots and lots of love and gratitude to all of you for the beautiful collective energy that you all created for me today, and for accepting me and for being such a lovely and interactive audience today. The divine in me bows to the divine in you. Lots of love, peace and positivity. Namaste.